Before you start modding your car, putting popcorn in your exhaust, black wheels and all the funny stuff that you like, here's one thing that you must do first. If you bought a used car, chances are it's like 5 years old, maybe 10, 15, 20, or even more. Chances are its paint is not going to look very good. It will look old, it will look faded and stuff like that. It will keep water on it, it will be hard to wash it, it's going to have unwashable stains. You will have to agitate it first in order to properly wash it and stuff like that. You will look on new cars, you will think, oh my God, they look so good. You will look at your cars and you will be like, okay, it looks good when I washed it, but it doesn't look that good like a day later. And that's totally normal. Your car has a faded clear coat, and that's exactly what I'm going to do on my car today. I am going to fully wash it, detail it, and apply ceramic, which I've actually never done before. This is what we're gonna use. Whatever that is, that's for the start to remove some dirt. This is going to be sniegs. It is snow, so it's going to apply like snow. I'm going to remove stuff from the exterior with this thing. Of course, I'm going to use this as applicator, or not applicator, whatever it is. Once we finish washing the car, I'm going to start polishing it with this stuff and the coarse compound. When finished, DA and this foam with a medium cut. Masking tape for the stuff I don't want to polish. Surface preparation for the exterior to prepare it for the ceramic. Bunch of cheap towels, drying towel, washing glove, and the ceramic itself. Here's what we have. An applicator, a ceramic, which I never used, never tried. Hope it's not gonna be bad. And the sealant, which we're gonna use in the morning. Ooh, okay. Let's start with the start. Here's our start. Am I doing everything all right? Yeah. 1 to 10. Smells like nothing. And we use it to remove dirt or whatever. It's hot. Is this 1 to 10? I hope. It says 35 to 50 times. Okay, I hope it doesn't explode. Okay, nice. Whee! I think I forgot to put this thing in. It's like a gasket. Boink. Yay! Let's adjust it. Bump it up. Do I wash it off now? Or do we apply the next step? I'm not sure. Let's wash it off because it's actually pretty dirty. And here's what I'm talking about. You see how the water stays on your car? Like, it's still there. And I can feel all the imperfections on, oh my God, it's so bad. I can feel all sorts of particles on it everywhere. It's like, oh, it's so nasty. Jeez. Okay, next step. This stuff smells like, you would say apple, but it actually smells like grape. Whee! That's really nice. Yeah. Here's the drying towel. Many people don't use drying towel, and they're wrong. You see, your car it is wet. Water absorbs dirt and dust very easily. So if you're not going to dry it, you're going to drive it for the first couple of kilometers, your car is going to be dirty again. That's why you need a drying towel. And there are all those scratches on the surface of the car. Oh my God. There you go. All these nasty scratches, jeez. I wash the car, I'm gonna use this to remove all the road repair particles, you know, asphalt particles, stuff like that. We wait a couple of minutes, then we remove it with a towel. All this sandy stuff right here, it's all the things you don't want. Yeah, nasty. There we go. You might not need to use clay bar, but definitely use this stuff. I also want to remove this carbon crappy roof. Here's a lesson for you guys. Lesson number 1, do not put crappy film on top of your car. Lesson number 2, if it's applied and you bought it like this, do not remove it, because this is a paint and it must be repainted. You know, the whole roof. They wanted it to look perfect. Apply Bondo, sand it down, and then they just added a primer on top, and it was like, good. Now it's straight and nice. Let's put the freaking film on it. Okay, here's a little bit of theory for you. This is a rotary, this is a DA. DA leaves a finer finish. Rotary is basically to remove all sorts of scratches and heavy stuff. Okay, here's a little bit of a result. We have more shine. Some scratches are still present. In order to remove them, you need to go with a sandpaper. This is your old clear. You're going to polish it out. This is polished, this is good. This is not polished. You will polish it out. When you don't have these spots, it's going to be fine. Okay, rotary is tricky. I just removed a little bit of paint here. So I would not recommend it to use, especially in the curvy cars. I'm going to just lay it down and use a DA. Boink, boink. Let's go. See? Nice and clean. See this dirt? This is a compound plus your old clear coat. That's why your car looks like crap, basically. Once you have removed that, you're going to have a nice, really nice surface, and it's going to look, well, not like new, but really close to being one. The whole car looks a lot better, but just to finalize that and remove all sorts of minor imperfections, I'm going to go and pass it again with a polishing compound. I finished with the cutting part. Now all the car looks very nice, and now I can get to the polishing stage. Here we have something that you won't be able to reach with your anti-polisher and so on. There will be a lot of scratches out there. Here's what you do. You take your towel that you're using, apply a little bit so it doesn't get off. Do this and start rubbing it. It won't get super great, but it will be better than it was. And this is what we have. Still has a little bit of scratches, but at least it has shine. When you start feeling that it's smooth, and then it's done. So if you want to preserve all this stuff, if you want your car to be shiny all the time, well, most of the time, easy to wash, easy to clean on the outside, you need to put a ceramic or you need to put wax. You know, in my case, I'm going to put ceramic. I never tried it before. First things first, I need to degrease the surface from contaminants. Smells like candy and summer. I miss summer. First rule of ceramic, apply it on a clean surface, dry surface, and that's it. Ooh. Beep, 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 beep. Whew. So that's it. That's my Suzuki Swift, whatever. Everything is done. We washed it more, decontaminated, removed all the pieces, polished it, then polished it again, cleaned it again, and applied a ceramic. And now it is a beautiful car, and I'm tired as hell. Okay, it's Monday. I was driving this terrible car for the 2 days because my Swift had to be inside. It had to be inside so that the ceramic would work. Where's the key? It's here. Okay. Ta-da, there it is, my car. It is clean and nice, but I still have to apply sealant. And we're done. Let's take it out, see how it looks. So here we go. Full detail of my almost 20-year-old car. Rusty, not perfect, looks good. Other than the roof, you know, where I tried to get rid of the problem and got myself even a bigger problem. Remember, we had this water film all across like the bonnet. This is what you get. It all drips off very nicely. Just let's go. Especially on the sides, goes like this. Doesn't want to stay, and it's exactly what you want. Where's my towel? Always dry your car with a towel. Otherwise, your car is going to look like ass. And on this note, you go buy stuff and get your car together first, and then you put all sorts of crazy mods on it.